Hi guys, so this is the next video in the chapter 18 series. So today we'll be looking into prepare the operational plan according to the marketing plan. Now let's look into what an operational plan is. Operational plan, the section consisting of the details of the production of a certain product such as the production procedure, quantity of products, production expenditure, the national and international standards to be followed, locating the factory, etc. Operational plan is important because ability to have an idea about the future operations beforehand, ability to improve the quality of the products, ability to minimize the possible wastages and delays in the process of manufacturing, ability to determine the cost of the production unit beforehand. Components to be included in an operational plan. Fixed assets requirements, raw materials requirements, employee requirements, manufacturing overheads, factory layout plan, disposal of wastages, social and environmental influence, total manufacturing cost and the unit cost, operational activities and expenditures prior to the beginning of the business. Production volume, the maximum number of units that can be obtained according to the inputs used in the production process within a certain period of time is known as production volume. Fixed assets requirement, the cost that have to be incurred regarding the assets used for production process such as machinery, equipments, etc., and the depreciation of those assets. Raw material requirements, based on the number of units expected to be produced, the amount of materials needed and the cost that have to be incurred for that. Employee requirements, the number of employees required, the nature of employees, whether managerial, inexperienced and experienced production staff, etc., and the wages paid for them, etc., are included here. Production overhead costs, the costs that have to be incurred regarding the production activities but cannot be specified directly for a production unit incurred are known as production overhead costs. These are referred to as factory overhead costs as well. Accordingly, by identifying indirect material cost, indirect labor cost, and other indirect costs that have to be incurred for production activities, they are included here. Example, admin staff salaries, utility expenses, office expenses, etc. Factory layout plan, the plan that is presented regarding the way of locating the machinery, equipment, and attachments used for production is known as factory layout plan. Disposal of wastage, the information and data related to the costs that have to be incurred in disposing garbage created in the production process are included here. Certain products need to be disposed following regulation of the government, for example, harmful chemicals, industrial waste, etc. And this disposal might cost more than a regular disposal, hence need to be planned upfront. Social and environmental influence, the action that have been taken to minimize the unfavorable impact that happen to the society and the environment because of the production process and the estimated cost for them are included. Total production cost and unit cost, the total cost that is expected to be incurred for goods or services expected to produce within a specific period of time is known as total production cost. The total cost consists of direct cost and indirect cost. Unit cost, when the total production cost is divided by the number of units produced, the unit cost will be obtained. Now let's look into few operational activities and expenditures incurred prior to the establishment of the business. The cost incurred for conducting researches of the relevant field, production process, distribution process, etc. The cost incurred for the registration of a business, the cost incurred for obtaining capital, that is interest payments for loans obtained to fund the business. So that's it with this video guys. Please do like and share to learn and let others learn. Thank you.
Created using Powtoon.